Combi-Ratchet, the world's first combination ratchet lock, with 1,000 possible combinations and the option of master key override. There is one model for sliding glass doors and one model for hinge doors. Setting the combination. The Combi-Ratchet is factory preset to 0, 0, 0. Before setting the combination, confirm this setting by turning the ratchet bar release from red to green and sliding the lock off the ratchet bar. The lock must be set to the current opening combination before you start to reset the combination. Locate the change screw on the left side of the lock. Push it inward with a small screwdriver and rotate the change screw 90 degrees clockwise. The change screw should now be recessed inside the lock body. Set the combination by turning the dials to your desired combination. For this example, we are setting the combination to 1, 2, 3. Rotate the screw back counterclockwise 90 degrees until the screw is flush with the surface. The new combination is now set. Test the combination by sliding the lock off the ratchet bar. It's that easy. You will be able to change the combination anytime by following these same instructions.